How to be successful in life. Attitude. When Hitler's army was surrounded by enemies, one soldier panicked and came to him and said, "We are in trouble, we're surrounded by enemies from all sides." Upon hearing that soldier, Hitler said, "We are not in trouble, the enemy is. Now is the perfect opportunity for us to attack our enemies in all directions and we can defeat them easily." This is a winner's attitude. I know that Hitler wasn't a good person, but it was Hitler's attitude which was admired by millions of people. He had such an influence on people that they are willing to be led by his words. Based on Harvard research, 85% of people who got a promotion in their job are due to their attitude, while only 15% of promotions are given based on their knowledge, intelligence, and experience. Your attitude decides how you will handle any situation in life. People who think positively and show positive attitude can handle situations better, and having this attitude can help them move ahead in life easily. Let me give you another example. You must have heard of this story before about David and Goliath. David was a normal-sized person, going head-to-head with Goliath. At that time, people around told David that Goliath is too big to be hit by his slingshot. However, David replied, "No, he is too big to be missed. Having a bigger body means having a higher chance of me hitting him with my slingshot from a further distance." And with this attitude, he defeated Goliath. The same man with a different attitude can produce different results. Hence, always have a positive attitude, who always see the glass as half full. Take opportunities. There was once a very religious person. One day, a storm hit his village and there was a flood. People of that village started to evacuate the village and asked that religious man to leave with them. But that religious man refused to go and said, "I have faith in God. If he finds me in danger, he will save me." And so he asked those villagers' people to leave him alone. The flood became worse and a group of people came in a car to rescue him, but still he refused to leave. As the water level kept rising, a group of people on a motorboat came to save him. But still he refused to leave and insist that God will help him. After some time, the water level reached the top of his house and some people came in a helicopter to rescue him, but still he refused to leave. As a result, he drowned and died. After his death, he went to God and asked God in anger, "I believed in you, I had faith in you, why didn't you save my life? Why didn't you came to rescue me?" To this, God replied, "Son, I sent you a warning, I sent you a car, I sent you a motorboat, I sent you a helicopter, what more were you looking for?" Similar situations may happen to us, and most of the time opportunities are right in front of us, but instead of taking action and the opportunity, we'll let it go. If a window of opportunity appears, don't pull down the shade. Persistence. There was a man who failed in his business at the age of 21. At the age of 22, he failed miserably in elections. At the age of 24, he again started a new business and he again failed in that business. At the age of 26, his fiancée died. At the age of 27, he went through a nervous breakdown. At the age of 34, he again failed in elections. Till the age of 50, he lost many real-life battles. But still, he didn't give up. At the end, he achieved success at the age of 52. He became the President of America and is considered as one of the best American presidents. Yes, I'm talking about Abraham Lincoln. Maybe till his 50s, many people were still considering him as a failure. But he never accepted failure. He never accepted himself as a failure. He always tried, and that persistence made him such a huge winner that the world still remembers him today. Goal setting. Tom stops an old man and asks him on the path ahead. Tom asked, "Where does this path lead to?" The old man replied, "Where do you want to go?" Confused Tom replied, "I don't know, actually I have no idea, where am I heading?" Then old man said, "Then take any path, it doesn't matter." Most of us have the same problem. We do not know exactly what we want and where we want to go. If we have no idea about our goals, so does it matter which path we take? To be successful, we must have a definite plan. One way to start setting goal is to use the SMART goals method. A goal must be specific, measurable, achievable, real, and time-bounded. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Dream big. The starting point of great success and achievement has always been the same. It is to dream big dreams. When you begin to dream big dreams, your self-esteem and self-confidence will increase tremendously. Your self-image will improve, and you will feel more positively about yourself and your ability to deal with everything. The reason why so many people accomplish so little is because they never allow themselves to dream big. If your dreams don't scare you, they are not big enough. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, turn on the notification to be updated with our uploads.